So today, we will walk through how to create leads in DocuProjects CRM. To begin, navigate to the CRM module, where you will find two options: Import Leads and Lead Creation. Import leads is used when you already have leads available in an Excel file and want to upload them into the system in bulk. This is especially useful during initial system setup when you have just subscribed to DocuProjects and want to bring in your existing lead database. You can simply download the template from here. Once downloaded, it will contain a structured format like this. It is important not to modify or duplicate the column names. All details should be entered as per the template, especially the fields highlighted in the pink, as these are mandatory. In simple terms, the key required fields are a unique company name, the lead source, and at least one contact with proper details. Some fields, such as industry, are drop-down based, so ensure you select values from the predefined options. Once the sheet is completed, you can upload it directly here. Click Upload, and the system will automatically validate the data. If there are any duplicate entries or errors, the system will highlight them within the upload pop-up itself. After successful validation, the leads will be imported instantly. Once done, you can come back to the leads list, and you will see that the uploaded leads are now available in the system. Now, if you want to create a lead manually, you can click on Add Lead. You can choose whether it is a B2B lead or an individual lead. For example, you can enter a company name such as Petals LLC. Add details like city, Ajman, country, UAE, and provide a mobile or landline number along with a general email address. These fields are optional, so you can fill them as needed. However, any field marked with a red asterisk is mandatory and must be completed. Next, select the industry and lead source. You can also add follow-up notes. This helps you track your communication and progress with the lead over time. Then, enter the contact details. For example, designation could be financial controller, add a mobile number, and provide the email address. If required, you can click Add Contact to include multiple contacts. There is no limit to the number of contacts you can add. By default, the system marks the first contact as the primary contact. However, if a different contact should be primary, make sure to select it accordingly. This is important because the primary contact's email is used for auto reminders, invoice communications, and other system notifications. You can modify this later as well, but setting it correctly here helps save time. Once you save the lead, it will be immediately available in the system. You can also attach supporting documents such as VAT certificate and trade license if required. At any time, you can return to the lead, click on the row, switch to edit mode, update the information, and save it. In the next session, we will continue by covering how to create a deal from a lead and generate quotations.